Welcome to AzureTeach.net. Traditional credentials like username, password, or client secrets are vulnerable to leaks, which can lead to unauthorized system access. To solve this, we assign a managed identity to the system so it can access Azure resources securely. No credentials are required. Let us understand managed identities with this common use case. We are going to establish connection between app service and Azure Key Vault using managed identities. Let us discuss about system assigned managed identity. Here I have a key vault and it has a secret named database connection. And here I have an app service. Here I have a web API project. It has a controller. And in this, I am creating a secret client with default Azure credential. That means it is going to take whichever the identity assigned to the app service. And we are going to fetch the secret from this key vault. And here I have a action. And here I am reading the secret named database connection. And if it fails to fetch the secret, and I am simply returning unable to fetch secret with the exception message. Please don't look for the coding standards here. This is not the scope for this demo. Now let us deploy this code to app service. Right clicking, publish Azure, and here I am choosing app service and I have selected my app service. Next, I don't need API management. Skip this step. Finish. It has created the publish profile. Now I'm clicking on publish. The code published. I'm copying the URL of my app service and here I'm accessing the Swagger. So this is the endpoint that we were looking at. So I'm clicking on try it out, clicking on execute. So if you see, it throws an exception and saying unable to fetch secret. Now I'm going to app service and identity, and here I'm enabling system assigned identity. Clicking on save. Please note that we can assign only one system assigned identity to app service, and if the app service is deleted, the system assigned identity will also be deleted. Now we have to give permissions on the key vault to this newly created identity. We can give the permissions from here by clicking Azure Role Assignments, and this is in preview mode right now. Or we can go to the key vault, access control, add role assignment, and here search for key vault secrets officer. Next, and here select managed identity, select the identities, and here I have the identity. Clicking on select, review and assign. Now the role assignment have been done. I'm going to Swagger, clicking on execute. Now I got the success response. If you want to remove this identity, you can click on off and save.